This is a capture race challenge for Black. Black only has 3 liberties left, so Black's options are actually quite limited. If you allow White to capture this stone, then the best Black can hope for is this ko, which is not the optimal result. Note that White cannot connect here, because after connecting, White only has 3 liberties left, and number 5 here will guarantee Black's success. But because of this ko, number 1 is not the correct answer. That's why we must stand down here. It's usually a good move to avoid the ko. And now White must capture these 2 stones, but capturing doesn't mean more liberties, because now Black can come in here, here, or even here. Right? As long as Black occupies one of White's liberties, White will remain 2 liberties, and now Black will be able to win this way. So once again, the key takeaway, just like some of the previous problems on this playlist, is standing down here when you're being captured. Giving up 1 more stone will help you avoid a ko, and it will also shorten your opponent's liberties. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.